Hi children, good morning. How are you? Yes, you are fine and safe. Fourth class children, science, lesson number 10, animal behavior. Animal behavior. Yes? Okay. And why an elephant has a long trunk and a fish has a fins? Can you guess that? Yes. The animals around us differ in their behavior and physical features. Physical features. Okay, the variation in animal behavior. The variation in animal behavior. Okay, children? Yes. Some animals live in groups. They have leaders for their groups. Deers, horse, wild dogs, bison, yes, elephants and wolves are some such animals. Yes, you can see your children in the picture. Herd of bison, herd of elephants. A pride of lions have a male leader while a clan of hyenas have a female leader. Deer have a separate group for males and separate group of females and the baby deer. Some birds and fish also live and travel in these groups. Yes, some will maintain as a male group. Which one is that? It is deer. Yes, a group of, okay, and male and some female and babies also. Okay, and animals that live in groups. Yes, and the animals which live alone. Animals such as tigers, leopards, bears do not live in groups. These animals will not live in groups. Yes, and they live alone for most of their lives. Yes, they live alone. Okay, the animals, which are the animals? The tiger, the leopards and bears will live alone. Yes. Area marking. Animals protect the area they live in. They mark their area. Dogs, okay, originate. Dogs Dogs urinate to mark their area. Leopards mark their area by rubbing themselves against the plants in that area. The plant will be there, no? It will rub. Rubbing that, they will mark the area. From here to here, this is my area, they will mark. Yes? And sleep. Some animals sleep continuously for many days or months. Bears, bats and ground squirrels are a few such animals will sleep continuously for months and days. Yes, and bears sleep throughout the winter season. It will sleep throughout the winter season. Crocodiles sleep during the summer season. Yes, and moving to another place. Birds and animals such as Siberian cranes, monarch butterflies and salmon do not live in some area throughout the year. They go from one place to another. They will go from one place to another. Yes? Okay, children. Variations in physical features. Variations in physical features. Animals also have differences in their body parts. Yes? Ears, hair, nose, tails. Yes? Ears. The shape and size of ears in different animals varies. The type of sounds they can hear also differs. Animals such as tigers, the lions, have ears facing forward. Facing forward. What is that? Which animal have? The tigers and the lions. Animals such as the rabbit and deer have ears which can be moved around, which can be moved around. See here in the picture, children, how it is here. Okay, and here the hair. The different types of hair patterns are seen in animals. Some animals have long and thick hair, while some others have thin hair. For example, elephants have long and thin hair. Yes, the elephants. And while the bears have thick layer of hair. Thick layer of hair covering. Yes. The nose. Different types of noses are found in animals. Yes, elephants have long nose developed into a trunk. See here, children. Yeah, this is this. This. And tails. Different types of tails are found in animals. For example, kangaroos have long and strong tails. The kangaroo. Here, the long and strong tail. Okay. Okay, children. And now we are going to see about the benefits of different animal behavior. How it behaves. Yes. For example, in our class, anyone is behaving bad means what you will tell? See his behavior, ma'am, how he is behaving. Is a bad boy, you will tell. Yes? Yeah. By living in groups, animals can protect themselves better from their enemies. The animals which are going to live in groups can protect from their enemies, and their young ones are better looked after. Yes, they can look for food and shelter together in a group. The animal which is strong and powerful is the leader. Other animals follow it. For example, elephant, deer, yes, bison. Okay, the area marking prevents an animal from entering into another animal's area. The animal which is going to mark the area, and another animal is going to come here. If it sees, it will not come. Okay, the food available in an area may not be enough for more than one animal to survive. In such cases, area marking helps the animals to survive better. Okay, some behaviors help animals to live in the weather and adjust to changes in the for the food also, whatever it is available there. Yes, for example, moving from one place to another, sleeping for a long time, and so on. Yes, okay, children. Benefits of different physical features. Yes, in animals like tigers and lions, the ears facing towards help the focus on their prey. They hunt. In animals like rabbit and deer, the ears which move around them help to know the direction of their enemies. See here, children, for example, animals like lion and tigers, the ears are facing forward. It helps to focus on the prey they hunt. Yes, the animals like a rabbit and deer, the ears which move around help them to know the direction where the enemies are coming. Yes, and the hair also protects the animals for the cold weather. The type of hair is animals depends on the climate of the place. Yes, for example, animals living in the cold region have the thicker hair than those of the warm region. For the animals like fish that always live in water, their body is covered with scales instead of hair. The scales. When we have you seen on the fish? Yes. These are the scales instead of hair. Yes, the shape of their body is in such that they can swim easily. The shape of their body, this shape. helps them to swim in the water. Okay, and the feathers of birds covered and protect their body. Yes, and the trunk of elephants helps to pick up food and put it into their mouth. The elephant trunk will help the food to pick up and put it into the mouth. Yes, and it also helps them to take enough water for drinking and bathing also. Have you seen, children, the elephant bathing? Yes. The tails of animals have different uses. For example, monkeys have long tails which help them to jump from one branch to another or one tree to another. Yes. The tails of cats and kangaroos help them to hop and balance. Help them to hop and balance. Yes. And the shelter, children. Yes, it is very important. Animals find caves and build nests for their protection. Have you seen a cave, children? Yes. Stones will be there like this, and in this inside it will be like a house where they can live there. Yes, humans also build houses for protection from the weather and from the harmful animals. Yes, we also will have a shelter. Do you have a shelter? Yes, we have a shelter. It is our house. Yes, living in a group. Many animals living together in groups and follow the rules of the group. We also live in small or large groups in the form of a family, the community or society, like the animals. We also follow certain rules within our groups. Yes, it is amazing fact, children. Yes, animals like the chameleon can change the color to match the environment. Here in the picture it is there, children. Chameleon. Yes, it will colors. It will change its color. Yes, and okay, children. Here a dog can hear the sounds that we cannot hear. The bats can make and hear the sounds which we cannot hear. It helps them while flying. It helps them while flying. As animals have a sharper sense of hearing, any loud sound can be harmful to them. For example, the sounds of crackers affects them a lot. Yes. Animals' sense of smell also is also many times stronger than ours. Yes, the stronger sense of smell helps them to protect themselves from the enemies. For example, a rabbit gets the smell of its enemy even when it is far away. Yes. And animals like cats have night vision, which helps them to hunt in the dark. Find out more about such sense of animals. Yes, okay, children, read the textbook today. Okay.